Dogelon Mars. As of now, exchanges close 0.0000742025 Dogelon Mars cost investigation most certainly is negative today, which especially is genuinely huge. Elon cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Elon's kind of intraday volume sort of stands at $1,078,656, or so they in a real sense thought. 25 October 2023, in this video we will walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and generally attempt to answer these regularly basically clarified some pressing issues, facts, what in every way that really matters, is momentary cost expectation for Dogelon Mars, truly is Elon the sort of wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Dogelon Mars support and obstruction levels and so forth in a very huge manner. Be that as it may, prior to jumping genuinely profound into the Elon specialized examination, really let us sort of discuss the kind of current economic situations, or so they most certainly thought. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital currency market to $1,266,797,359,948 in a kind of significant manner. The genuinely complete exchanging volume really remains at $53,871,161,058, or so they basically thought. Bitcoin shares 53.41% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33%, which for the most part is very critical. Which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,680.36 level after a vertical development of 2.82% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a cost increment of 0.91%, coming to $1,790.84 during the past 24 hours, or so they most certainly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $223.91, following a value change of 0.62% within a similar time span, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, basically is up by 0.27 and as of now exchanging at 56 cents, which fundamentally is very huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an especially significant way. These occasions by and large demonstrate that the market generally is going in a sort of descending bearing for truly momentary in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, and especially broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Dogelon Mars execution. The in every practical sense, day-to-day diagram of Dogelon Mars generally shows that the Elon cost fundamentally has a truly descending development with a 2.51% reduction in beautiful beyond 24 hours. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars, Elon, coin truly is remaining at $0.00000518415525, with market capitalization $136,963,872 United States dollars. Amazingly, Elon cost changes 1.42% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume for the most part is floating around $1,078,656 United States dollars in an exceptionally enormous manner. What truly makes Dogelon Mars truly exceptional in an unpretentious manner? Dogelon Mars truly utilizes a diverting commonly comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin, which truly shows that the value worth of the Dogelon Mars, Elon, coin for the most part, is remaining at $0.00000518415525, with market capitalization $136,963,872 United States dollars in an unobtrusive manner. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the world and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home, with the assistance of the companions he's made during his in every practical sense, goes through the stars. Especially a few by and large short comics are distributed on the coin's site that explicitly follow Dogelon on his undertakings to Mars, where he basically meets companions and goes on experiences. Extremely further appearance how Elon cost changes 1.42% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume basically is floating around $1,078,656 United States dollars, or so they especially thought. Dogelon Mars doesn't actually have a guide as such, however rather fostered a dream variant through its comics, which in a real sense is very critical. After the recolonization of Mars in 2420, Dogelon will explicitly need to battle for kind of endurance against the Annihilators, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. This fantasized variant proposes that once the coin in a real sense is recorded on all significant trades, the cost of elon will reach Mars, or, in truly different words, it will exchange at a for the most part, a whole lot higher valuation, showing how what really makes Dogelon Mars novel, which certainly is genuinely critical. Notwithstanding, annihilators, by which the unpredictability of the crypto markets could especially be implied, will generally be an issue the local area will sort of need to battle against, which especially shows that Bitcoin shares 53.41% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33%, which truly is genuinely huge. By and by, elon basically is an image coin without commonly much utility past getting it and holding it in a wallet like MetaMask, showing how Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the cosmic system and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home, with the assistance of the companions he's made during his truly goes through the stars. Actually, a few sort of short comics in a real sense are distributed on the coin's site that especially follow Dogelon on his undertakings to Mars, where he especially meets companions and goes on experiences. All things considered, further appearance how elon cost changes 1.42% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume in a real sense is floating around $1,078,656 United States dollars. Which is very critical. Nonetheless, taking into account it by and large, has a strong mix of truly a few exceptionally memeable credits in its title: Elon Musk, Doge, Moon Mars. Dogelon Mars could like quickly if the truly generally speaking cryptographic money market appreciates, and the gamble craving for image coins increments, which generally is very critical. How fundamentally numerous Dogelon Mars, elon, coins in every practical sense are there available for use, which basically is very huge. The genuinely complete stock of elon most certainly is 1 quadrillion, exhibiting that notwithstanding, taking into account it explicitly has a powerful blend of pretty a few extremely memeable credits in its title: Elon Musk, Doge, Moon Mars. Dogelon Mars could by and large like quickly if the very in general cryptographic money market appreciates and the gamble hunger for image coins increments, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Half of all elon tokens certainly have been really shipped off Vitalik Buterin, the organizer behind Ethereum, with an end goal to basically consume the tokens and by and large eliminate them from flow successfully, showing how the fundamentally complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $53,871,161,058, which essentially is very critical. This truly is like Shiba Inu's methodology, in spite of the fact that it at first disturbed the Shiba Inu, for the most part token cost on the grounds that Vitalik